The UX2 is perfect for an inexpensive but a decent quality way to input guitar, vocals, electric drums, whatever you want into something like Apple's GarageBand, where you can mix and adjust it from there. That's what I use it for, and it seems to work out great. Today I'm testing out the TonePort UX2 Line 6. It has two XLR microphone inputs, as well as separate mic gains for each of them. And it has a phone 1/4 inch out for your headphones, which is also volume controllable, as well as the main output is also gainable. It has two line inputs. It is foot switch capable. It has USB out, SP diff digital out, and as well as analog 1 and 2 outs, and stereo monitor in as well on 1/4 inch. Today mainly we're going to be testing out the different vocal effects, and I'll show you and let you see what each of them sounds like. Each vocal effects is adjustable, and these are just the standard ones that it comes with.
This is a test with the 1968 groove. We're going to go over here to some other vocals. This is 80s gang of vocal. 80s gang vocal. Yeah! 80s gang vocal. 90s alternative vocal. This is the 90s alternative vocal. All right. This is bright and clean. Bright and clean. This is choir. Choir. In the choir. In the choir. This is classic vocal front. Classic vocal front. Yeah. And this is dance vocal. Dance vocal. This is the dance vocal. And this is Detroit R&B vocal. Detroit R&B vocal. Yeah.
This is distorted boombox vox. Distorted boombox vox. Yeah. And
this is the downward spiral. This is the downward spiral vocal. Downward spiral vocal. This
is the megaphone. Oh, check. Come out. We have you surrounded. Okay, this is
modern. This is the new modern 106.9. Okay. And this is Nashville, USA. Come on down to Nashville. On down to Nashville now. You hear? Prog rock vocal. This is the prog rock vocal. The prog rock vocal. This is Rhapsody vocal. Rhapsody vocal. Rhapsody vocal. And this is Rockabilly. How's Rockabilly going? I don't know how it goes. And this is studio vocal. Studio vocal in the house. Studio vocal. Sunset DJ. This is Sunday Set DJ in house, listening to cool classics 101.9
And this is the telephone. Hello? 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 This is annoying. Don't forget. This is the trench. The trench. I'm in the trench. Come find me in the trench. That's where I'll be. And this is
Vocal spin. Vocal spin. This is the vocal spin. Vocal spin. That's right.
warm and clean. This is warm and clean. Vocal warm and clean. Yes, yes. And you can't forget the webcaster voice. This is webcast voice over. Voicecast over. And that's it on the vocals.